Welcome back, everyone. It's Albert Lebel, and I am excited to have another challenge locking device, and not only a challenge lock, but one by Mr. Bill Bacardi himself, number 216. Now, I'm having to take a wild guess here, but I bet $1 to a donut that he's got more than that out. Not to mention, he's a fantastic guy, big part of this lock sport community, and he's a bona fide locksmith, and we're really lucky to have him in the community. Um, I've found I still consider myself pretty new to this lock sport thing, but I have found out that through the time that I've been in it so far that many locksmiths, I don't know if I wouldn't say they are against what we do, but a lot of them just don't like it or aren't into it. So to have a locksmith and a pretty damn good one, as far as I know, Mr. Bill Bacardi, to have him part of the community is just a fantastic thing. And he's always, I'm telling you, man, always there for if you need help. I bother him quite often, and he's always cool with it. He always tells me, anytime, bud, I'm always here for you. I'm always here for you, and he really is. So, Bill Bacardi, thank you, brother. I really do appreciate you. And but now I'm gonna have to stab your lock, bud. So let's get to this. Bada boom, bada bing. I got it's like one of those yellowish type keyways. It looks like. Here's the key, by the way. Pretty nasty, but it really looks like. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm looking at the key and I'm thinking that first two pins may just be like overset traps. So if I can finagle my way around them, this may not be as bad as that looks. So let's find out. And it is pretty short, so I'm having to guess it's a 5-pinner. Works like butter, as you can imagine, from Mr. Bill Bacardi. So let's let me see, something thin enough to get in the. Oh yeah, that ought to do her. Okay, fits nice enough. And like I said, we're gonna have to finagle our way. Let me see. How about we'll start off with this little one of my Southord. It's pretty short. May have to change picks at some point, but see if we can get something started. I like these Southords because they have the skinny shaft, and I really like that in a pick. Because a lot of times you might have a thin pick that's thin this way, but it gets real tall back here, and if you got low pins in the front, you're gonna overset them. But these Southord picks are pretty good for that. But I don't have Southord picks with a skinny shaft that are also very thin. So I guess you can't have the best of both worlds, or the pick will just bend like tin foil. Alright, bada boom, bada bang. Going in. Get kind of a feel for it real quick. I'm not feeling nothing good yet. Okay, wow. I just touched 4 and the core turned a little bit. Or, yeah, I think it was 4. Keep on going. So, as you can probably tell, I'm having to kind of go in and do one of these jobs because of the shape of the keyway. It's not open. What do they call it? Paracentric. It's quite paracentric. Okay, we got some action back there. I want to say it's 4. I think the last one I hit was 3. Okay, I hope that wasn't bad. I still got that little bit of a turn, I think. Counter rotation. Okay, that was 5, and I think I got that little bit of a turn back. I'm coming out and I'm working the pins to try to get one to react for me. And I found one, I think. Yep. It feels like maybe 3. Counter rotation. You gonna set for me or not? Nope, that didn't work. 4. Okay, 5. 4. Might have got that turn back. And oh, yep, a little bit of a turn back again. I know that fan is driving me nuts. It's a fan on that LED light. I should have the new microphone by I'm hoping tomorrow. Okay, I'm getting counter way in the back. I might have set it. It felt like I did. Coming back out. There's that counter again. Okay, that felt like I set it. And it felt like it was 3, so I'm going back in 4. Huh. I'm not quite getting something back there. That's what it feels like. Oh, maybe 4 right there. Oof, that's way back. Major counter rotation. Okay, yeah, I dropped something again. I think it's 5. Man, getting under them suckers back there's a hoot. Okay, feels like I said it. Huh, I'm missing something. Or I'm just, oh, got a little bit more. I may just not be, going high enough. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. That pick may have just been a little bit shy on the hook, so maybe just a tad bit higher and out, and things would have worked a little better. Beautiful, just beautiful. Love it. Okay, so we're open. Get this out of the way. Beautiful. Mr. Bill Bacardi. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, he's always there. And obviously, being a fantastic locksmith that he is, he's really good at any of the, I guess, technical mumbo jumbo of the mechanics of locks and whatnot. But I'm telling you, anytime that I've had to hit him up for questions or any of that, he's always there. Always. Always there. Okay, so we're very much open. Fair enough. We got the key, so I'll lock her back up. Ooh, a couple flatheads. Usually they're Phillips. A little psychological warfare, huh? Alright. Oh, that was loose. Must have seen me coming. Alright. These parts out of here. We don't need that. Okay. Key. Oh yeah, it's a Yale-like. It is Yale. I said Yale-like. Alright. See if we can shim it. Where's the top? Ooh, that looks really tight. It's hard to tell where the top is. Just kind of guessing. Alright. Pink follower. Good size. Yep. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. We'll 5 pinner as I thought. And yep, they all did need a picking. So I'm guessing that slight bit, let me get my pointer. I'm guessing that slight bit that 1 and 2 needed picked was probably just, because I really didn't put much work into those two. So I'm guessing as I was reaching back to deal with 3, 4, and 5, the pick shaft itself probably raised those up just enough. That'd be my guess, because I didn't pay too much attention to these first two, to be quite honest. So let's see what we got here. We got a, wow, cool looking pin in one. Kind of a reduced top, it looks like, on it. Ooh, same thing in number 2. Ah, I'm telling you, man, he knows how to make a lock. Ooh, nice. Beautiful, looks like double threaded in 3. Four's not wanting to play. Does not play well with others. And 5. Ooh. Easy does it. Okay, let me get some specs on my head. Alrighty, let's take a look at this core right quick. Ooh. I see threads in 3 and 5, and I got an undercut, it looks like, or something of the sort. You know, actually, I don't know if that's an... Maybe just a slight one in number 4. There's something going on there, but it's not real deep. So I'll just say threading in 3 and 5 and some sort of modification in 4. Let me see if I can see it. I think you can see it right there. That slight lip. Try to get it as good as I can on the camera there. Alright. Anyway. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go up top, get the shim out. Tweezers. Where we at? Okay. Number 1 looks like a standard. Well played. Little copper spring. Well, if I can get it. Oh, come on. Play nice. 2 looks like another standard. Longer spring there. 3 is definitely not a standard. 3 is a crazy cool looking long, I'm going to try and hold it up here. Crazy cool long spool. Beautiful. Nice little sharp top on that bad boy too. Another copper spring. That was 3, so we're searching for 4. Oh yeah. Make sure it's not a 2-piece or nothing. I don't like that stuff popping up on me. Alright, another spool. That was 4. Looks like a steel spring in 4. And 5, we'll try and go to the other side since we do have a V in that thing. Let's take it slowly. Alright. Another spool, make sure it's not 2 pieces. Nope. A spool with a kind of a sharp top to it. Yeah, I try to be really, really slow and careful gutting locks, because I got a pet peeve when I see people like using hollow followers and just going, you know, it scares me, because if I send locks out with 2-piece pins, it's just, I don't know. It's a pet peeve of mine. I hate to watch it. Alright, so we got all the pins and springs, so alright, let's look upstairs. Nothing upstairs. Okay. Get the key. Again, that was Bill Bacardi's number 216. You heard that right. Alrighty, bada boom, bada bing. Bring my little fancy cardboard table around here. Take a look at some pins. Good enough? It's good enough to me. Alright. Make sure the camera focuses right here. Alright, key pins, like I said, it's a kind of a cone reduced top on number 1. Also on number 2, just a little shorter. Really cool. 3, double serrated. 4 is a standard. 5, a triple serrated. Drivers, standard in 1, standard in 2, and then 3, we got this long spool with a very sharp end on it right here. Beautiful. Beautifully done. 4, another spool, and same in number 5, but 5's got this sharp end on it. As you can hopefully see, it's a lot thinner than this one right here. And then it looks like we got copper, 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 steel, and copper on the springs. Bill Bacardi, thank you so much, buddy, for pinning this bad boy up, and all the other ones you pinned up, and thank you so much for all your help. You're always there for me, buddy, and I really do appreciate it. So that'll do her. Please comment, please give me a thumbs up, and guys, again, if you're down for lock trades, let's get her done. I'm ready to rock and roll. Get some challenge locks moving around. Okay, Big Al signing out.